Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable password autofill on iPhone. So when you want your password to automatically fill out on, for example, Safari, but also on apps like Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, then here's how you can do that. Simply open settings just like this on your iPhone, scroll down till you find passwords right here. In order to get to that screen, you need to type in your password or confirm it with Face ID just like this. Once you've done that, click on password options. And then right here, what you need to do is make sure to enable autofill passwords and passkeys. So you can simply disable this and then you can enable it. And that's basically all you need to do. And they can also change from where they want their passwords to actually come from. So you can also just choose Chrome as well, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.